Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are 1000 gradient background. Just extract files. You can use them as overlays as in your creativity. Likely to be extracted, and this is about 615 MB file, and that's extracted, and there are 1000 such backgrounds gradient in different shades. You can check these are JPG files, high quality image, and with different shades they are available, almost 1000. You can download it from the link in the description. Just click to the link and you will get to this website called GFX, and here you can download it from here. You will need to wait for 30 seconds and then you can download for him. And I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video. Take care.